So Umpumele Msaleko reveals he has the money. So anyway, guys, before we get to start off today, you know the host of the houses. I'm Anna Pizza and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take it for yourself or I love you. Before we get to Umpumelelo and his baby mama, Tirelo and Vuyokaze, guys, another person who's currently trending, Samke, wife number 5, Yak Musamsaleko. People are saying, oh, what now we do understand why Musamsaleko he doesn't want to post this Samke. So there's a picture, as you can see, Usamke. She's wearing a short dress, a blue dress, as you can see. But guys, Usamke, she's very young. She's 25 years old, 23, something like that. I don't know her real age. So people are saying, oh, Usamke does not want to grow up to be a wife. She needs to dress like Abu Makumalo, Abu Mangwabe, Abu Mayeni, Abu Makele, something like that. So people are saying, what it makes sense why Umusamsaleko he's hiding something. People are saying if you compare Samke to Mpumelel's first wife, Amahle, there's a huge difference. You can see Amahle, she was ready to be a wife. When it comes to Samke, it looks like she was not ready, guys. She was forced to be a wife. And number 5, no wonder why Umusamsaleko, he's still treating Samke and a girlfriend or a side chick. So anyway, guys, so let's get to Mpumelelo. The only person that we knew she's going through a lot when it comes to maintenance, Utirelo, guys, because she did expose Mpumelelo laphana kuzingane zesithembu season 3 episode 7. But we did not know ukuthi Vuyokazi, she's also facing the same situation yakaTirelo. It means that this situation yakaVuyokazi is worse because she has 2 kids in Mpumelelo. So yesterday, Vuyokazi, so she posted her son laphana ku Instagram story with a caption that really got a lot of people talking. She went on to say, Sana, I need to work harder cause kuzofuneka imali yomgidi kaNzulu ngapha zi-matric balls zomhlophekazi. And people were like, what is going on? It means that Mpumelelo, he doesn't pay maintenance nakuVuyokazi. We thought maybe Utirelo because she's an understanding girlfriend, but when it comes to Vuyokazi naye, she's expressing the same thing. And people are saying, Amahle, you need to work hard. You can see your husband, he's not only embarrassing Vuyokazi no Tirelo, he's also embarrassing you as his first wife. So guys, there's a video lapana with TikTok Mpumelelo, he was doing shopping and people were dragging him saying, oh, now you're not supporting Ingane. What is going on in Gawe? So another lady went on to say, Ingane aina imali yokuya e-crash. Mpumelelo reply ethi, imali ikhona kodwa not yokuyisa ingane endaweni yokulala. So according to Mpumelelo, he's saying it's not important for Singabako to go to crash and pay 3,000 rand. He has the money. It's just that he doesn't want to pay. So when it comes to Mhlopekazi and Zulu, we don't know. Maybe because he doesn't see them. That's the reason why he's not paying the maintenance. So people are saying, what Mpumelelo is doing to his baby mamas is totally unfair. He needs to be called out. I wonder why Vuyokazi and Tirelo are working hard as content creators, guys. I've seen that today Tirelo posted she'll be working with Ganye. Congratulations to Tirelo, guys. Tirelo decided to mind her own business, just make money, same as Vuyokazi. She's busy selling lapana online, guys. They decided to shut their mouth and start making money because they know that even if they talk, there's nothing they're gonna get from Mpumelelo. So they rather keep quiet and make money. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.